Is there a way to speak about women in the early church or the women in the readings more? Maybe even teach us about the role of women in our religion. Well, it does say in the Acts of the Apostle that there were women deacons. We knew there were women deacons for several centuries. Also, the first image in the Bible, when it says that the Holy Spirit was hovering upon the waters of creation, the word hover in Hebrew means like a mother cradling its young. I always love the fact that that's the first image of God in the Old Testament, is like a mother's love. And as Catholics, just in the role of women, we would say our holiest saint is the Blessed Virgin Mary. And in the Gospels, especially the Gospel of John, women always come out looking better than the apostles. So just on the scale of holiness, women kind of win there. And the other issue is even St. Teresa of Lisieux mentions that when she's in this museum in Rome, she comes across this sign that says, "No women allowed." And she thinks to herself, well, that's just crazy, because on any Sunday, there's more women in church than men. And I always appreciate her insight just on women being more faithful. Now, it is true, women don't have a lot of ecclesial power in the church. However, the chancellor in Boise, when I was growing up for many years, was a woman. That's the bishop's right-hand person. And in Portland, when I was a seminarian, Archbishop Leveda's chancellor was a woman. So in the early church and in the Bible, women were ordained women deacons and have this picture of holiness.